Hi, my name's Billy. Today, I'm going to teach you how to edit a Teambuilder team in NCAA 14 with the team editor. First things first, I'm going to post links down in the comments section so you can find all this shit. But you're going to want to get brute force, right? It's how you crack PS3 encryption, right? Then you're going to want to get your Dynasty editor, which is also going to be included in the links in the comments section. And once you have those, right, you're going to want to open up brute force, and it's going to take a minute to load. Any minute now. Now, once it opens up, you're going to want to find the file on your thumb drive that has the save data on it. You're going to want to decrypt all the files. I just hit select the data, but you can do all of them. You're going to right click on it. You're going to go to patch creator right here. Right. Once it opens up, you're going to go to tools, then you're going to go to hex editor. Now, this Dynasty was brand new. It's on week 1. Alright, so you're looking for the end of these goofy looking Y's, and in mine it happened to be right around, line 14,000 or so. It's going to take a minute to find it. Alright, so here you can see them right here, right? So this is where you want to start highlighting. So you're going to keep on going up. How I found this was I took a brand new Dynasty that didn't have a Teambuilder file in it, and then I compared it side by side with a brand new Dynasty that did have a Teambuilder in it, and I noticed differences in the code right here. So you're going to want to remove this code from the file before you can open it in your Dynasty editor. If you don't have a Teambuilder, then you can skip this step and just go straight into opening it in the Dynasty editor. But so you're going to cut it. You don't want to delete it. You just want to cut it. You're going to save it. Then you're going to close out. You're going to close out of brute force. All right. Then you're going to go in. You're going to open up the Dynasty editor. All right. Then you're going to want to go to File, Load Config. I like to use Pocket Scouts configuration. It's going to take a minute to load that up. Then you're going to want to open up your user file. But before you do that, you're going to have to change the extension on the end of it to .mc02. Alright, you can rename it right before you open it. And it's going to take a minute to load there too. Now once it's loaded, you can do whatever you want to with it. There's got all kinds of features in it that I'm not going to go into. There's plenty of other information out there, but this is just so that I can change the rivals on here, because I swapped out my Teambuilder team with Georgia State. The only rival was Georgia Tech, so I wanted to change some of them. So I'm just going around the rival ID right here, and I'm going to change it, a couple of them, to where they are making me their rival, and not vice versa. Once you're done with that, you're going to want to make sure you save it. Then you're going to open up brute force back up. You're basically going to go back into your patch creator, go back into the hex editor, reinsert that code that you had removed, and resave the file, but without the .mc02 on it. I went ahead and changed it before I opened it back up in Patch Creator. So we're going to open it back up, open back up Hex Editor, put the new code in, or the old code back in it, and then you're going to save it. You got to make sure you got to copy it into the right side of it. Then you're just going to save it. It'll be back in there. And close out of Hex Editor. You can close out of Patch Creator. Alright, then you're going to re-encrypt the file in brute force. And then that's it, and that's all. You just got to take out your thumb drive and put it back into your PS3, save over the file that you had created, and then load it up. Now then, in this example, I did have a problem where basically it removed all my logos from the game, and I can't quite figure out why. You can see it over there. It worked as far as who my rivalries are. You can see Tennessee's there, Arkansas, NC State, Duke, all those rivalries I created. I'm just not sure why it removed my logo. It removed it from the uniforms too. Let me just show you. The first time I tried this was on a different dynasty that had already worked. This right here is my first Brasstown dynasty, my original one. I was going to be making a YouTube series with it, but I didn't really like how I didn't have any rivals. I replaced this team with Idaho. I didn't have the problem of it removing my logos with this one. I had the same number of rivals. The only thing I could figure is all, towards the end of the season, or I used a custom coach in this one. I used the existing coach that I had made it on the Teambuilder website with the last one. It's the only two major differences between this one and that one. I've tried several times, and it keeps on removing the logo on any new dynasty. Have no idea why, but thanks for watching. Like and subscribe to my channel so you can see how the Brasstown dynasty turns out. Thank you. Also want to give a lot of credit to people at Operation Sports, because they're the ones who really did the most of the work. I just figured out a problem that hadn't been solved yet.